English story. Listen and repeat after me. Here is a simple story with easy vocabulary to help you learn English. Once upon a time, in a bustling town called Bryville, there was a special day called Black Friday. It was a day when all the shops offered incredible discounts, and people from far and wide gathered to grab the best deals. Among them was a family, Sarah, her brother Tom, and their parents. They were excited about the buzz surrounding Black Friday and decided to make a shopping adventure out of it. As they strolled through the streets, they saw colorful banners and signs announcing jaw-dropping sales. The stores were filled with enthusiastic shoppers, eager to snag bargains. Sarah and Tom were eyeing a video game console they had been saving up for. Their parents were on the lookout for a new television. The stores were packed with people and the excitement was palpable. Sarah and Tom dashed toward the electronics section where they found the last console on the shelf. With beaming smiles, they secured their prize purchase. Meanwhile, their parents navigated through the crowds and found an excellent deal on a big screen TV they had been eyeing for their family movie nights. As they made their way to the checkout counters, they noticed the camaraderie among shoppers, all thrilled about their finds and sharing stories of their shopping triumphs. Finally, with their purchases in hand, they headed back home, thrilled with their successful Black Friday haul. They spent the evening setting up their new gadgets and enjoying their family time. The next day, as they reflected on their adventure, they realized that beyond the discounts and deals, what made Black Friday special was the excitement of spending time together, hunting for treasures, and sharing in the joy of finding something special. It wasn't just about the things they bought, but the memories they created as a family on this bustling shopping day.